So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. And as you know, in this channel I used to talk about my journey with the learning of AI. So I'm back again. So in this video I'm going to talk about how I started and how I'm learning this AI things. Like what are my strategies, what are my technique, and how I started. Okay. So I thought let me share this strategy because it is very good one. So watch this video until the end because you're going to learn something from this video. Okay, so I am using my smartphone for some like scripting purpose. So as you know, we all use YouTube for learning new things, and sometimes this YouTube algorithm is little bit of distracting, or like you can't focus because you have multiple pop-ups or recommendation which are not for your learning purpose, right? Like the entertainment videos and like songs or something which is not going to help you like in future, but anyway, only going to entertain you. So I use a method called learn with YouTube algorithm. So let me explain what this method is, and yeah, it will be going to help you for sure. Okay, so watch this video until the end. Okay, so here what I do, it might sound little weird for the first time, but trust the process. Okay, so I created completely new Google account, like a fresh Google account, no history, no chat, anything, nothing is there. Okay, why I did this? Just to explain you better, on my normal Google account, or you can say on my normal YouTube account, there are lots of cooking videos. Okay, the songs videos and like videos related to the cats sometime and other things. Okay, my interest based videos are coming on the YouTube page, right? So these all are making me distracted to stay focused, right? So whenever I open YouTube videos, then what I see, YouTube try to make me either a chef or a cricketer or like a singer. You got my point, right? So sometimes it become overwhelming to check all of these videos and to skip not watching those videos. Like you can't skip those recommended videos. You got my point, right? So I created the Google account, the new fresh Google account, and I log into the YouTube. Until now everything got clear, right? So once I log into the YouTube with the new Google account, I might see lots of recommendation on YouTube because I am new to the YouTube and YouTube don't know what type of video you are going to watch, right? So here what we are going to do, we are going to train YouTube like I have to watch AI related videos only. Okay, so how we are going to do that? Very simple method. Okay, so what you have to do, you don't need to watch any recommended video just now, because if you watch then YouTube will be going to train in that way. So what we have to do, we have to search something like tell me best feature of ChatGPT which I can use on my daily life, or like you can search how to learn AI for beginners. And either if you are little bit moderate or something, you can also start like learn AI stuffs. That's it. Okay, so once you click on the search button, YouTube will recommend best video possible based on the search result, and those videos which are going to be highlighted after the search, you have to watch 5 to 6 video continuously. Okay, because this is the new channel and you have to make YouTube algorithm learn that you are going to watch only AI related video. Okay, got my point? So pick 2 or 3 videos and watch it completely. Okay, like it and subscribe to the channel if you like the video, like my video. Just kidding. And after watching this video, just click on the recommended video which YouTube suggests you, and it should be of AI related. Got my point, right? And one more catch is here, like don't watch any other recommended video because YouTube is still learning like what type of video this user is going to watch. Okay, so your task is to watch only AI related video. On the suggestion or recommendation, you might also get videos from the Hollywood movies or like trailer or something related to the songs or some trending topic, or sometime it will be a news. Okay, so your task is to skip all those videos. You don't have to click, because if you click then algorithm will be treated in a different way. Okay, so your task is to do this for one straight full day. And one more catch is here, you don't need to watch this video completely, because on the first day you are training only YouTube to make the YouTube algorithm learn what type of user you are and what you are going to watch. So you don't need to watch with full focus all those AI related video, because this is the time you are training YouTube algorithm to recommend you more of the video which are related to the AI. Got my point, right? So I follow this method for completely one day, and because of this something happened on my YouTube channel. So after doing all this for one day, all of my YouTube recommendation feeds are fed up with the AI related things which I cannot skip to watch. Okay, every time I refresh the YouTube page, I got lots of AI based recommended video, like the tutorial or like the AI news or what the ChatGPT co-founder are going to do. You got my point, right? Now come the actual learning part, okay, which I followed along watching those YouTube videos. Pick 2 or 3 videos and watch those videos completely after day 1. So now it's day 2, right? And you already trained your newly created YouTube account to recommend you lots of AI related video, right? And now it's the time for the actual learning part. Pick 2 or 3 video based on the recommendation from the YouTube. Watch it completely, okay? You don't need to skip this part. First day you can skip, like to make YouTube algorithm learn about your watch history or YouTube search result, to make YouTube aware of like what you have to do or what type of video YouTube have to recommend to you. Now it's the task to learn about AI, right? So you have to pick 2 or 3 videos, watch it completely, and while watching the YouTube video, what you have to do, you have to apply the things also. Like whenever I watch the videos which are related to AI, I use the tool at the same time. Like if I am learning any method on ChatGPT, I learn by doing it. Whatever I watch, I try to execute on my ChatGPT account and I get the result. So this method will help you to learn more about what you are doing, okay? If you only watch videos only, then it will not be going to help you in a longer way. So I recommend you to watch the video completely and at the same time try to implement that as well. That is the best thing you can do, okay? So this combination of watching and doing the things make the learning very fast, okay? So let me tell you the interesting part. Within 1 week of my learning about AI, YouTube recommended me lots of video which I am completely unaware, okay, that AI can do this type of work also. So this way YouTube will help you 24/7 to help you learn about AI. Why I am telling this all? Because before I started my journey, I was watching the videos related to AI only on YouTube with my main account, okay? So what happened there also is, like if I plan to learn something for 1 hour related to AI, then within 15 minutes I distracted to watching some movies, watching some video clips from the YouTube, some songs. So this all makes me distracted most of the time. Got my point, right? So my challenge for you is here: create a new Google account, log in YouTube with that Google account and start searching some AI related thing and train your YouTube algorithm for that specific YouTube ID, okay, that you are going to watch only AI related videos. And within a month, I guess you will be going to have a personalized AI learning system which you will be going to use on your everyday of life that adapt to your interest, okay? And hey, yes, if you try this technique, just comment below like you are using this technique and this technique is really awesome, something like that you can comment. And that's what I wanted to tell you on this video. I think this video is stopped. Let me make it little back. So I just did it. So this is the way I started learning about the AI related things, and I think this video is going to help you a lot while you are starting. You might be a corporate guy, you might be a student, you might be a teacher, you might be a doctor. This is going to help you in any way, okay? So try this method, because I'm using it for 2 weeks and I thought let me share this journey with you because it is very good method and I really like this system. It's working like a charm for me, okay? So thank you for watching until the end, and yeah, if you like this video, you can comment like whatever you want and help me like what should I learn. So that's all about this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.